How to open Halifax Bank Account Online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open a Halifax Bank account online. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search for Open Halifax Account. Then click on this option which is Open a Bank Account Online. That will bring you to the official website of Halifax. Here, you want to compare the type of account you want to create. Then select whichever you prefer. After that, to apply on the website, select if you are a new customer or an existing customer. Once you have selected that, you're going to get the on-screen prompts accordingly. Here you will have to select if you are an existing Halifax customer. If you already have a UK current account, you will have to enter these details. Then you will have to enter your personal details. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name. After that, enter your mobile number, then enter your email address, and after that you want to enter your date of birth, then enter the country of birth. Once you have entered all these information, go ahead and click on the continue option. Now you will have to follow the on-screen prompts and provide any necessary documents or photos. After all the process has been finished, your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.